Welcome back, students. So today we'll continue with the topic arithmetic progression. In the previous lectures on arithmetic progression, I have already told you about the formula for the general term of an AP and the sum of first n terms of an AP. Just to remind you, the formula for nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term of the series and D is the common difference. Now, the sum of n terms of the series, there are two formulas. The first one is n by 2 within brackets A plus L, where A is obviously the first term and L is the last term, that is the nth term. L is the last term. And if you put the formula of nth term here, then this formula becomes n by 2 within brackets 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula for sum of n terms, first n terms of an AP. Okay, now we'll do few examples. The first example is the 16th term of an AP is 5 times its third term if its 10th term is 41, find the sum of first 15 terms. Now you see, finally what we have to find, the sum of first 15 terms. That means we can apply this formula, but for that we need A and D, because n is 15, because we have to find the sum of first 15 terms, but we need A and D, that is the first term and the common difference. The examples that they have given, the values that they have given, it is to find the values of A and D. Now I'll show you how. It is given that the 16th term of the AP is 5 times its third term. 16th term is equal to 5 times the third term. I told you the formula for the general term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So in 16th term, in place of n you will write 16. Now 16 minus 1 is 15. So it is A plus 15D. And here 5 into, now this A3, again in place of n we have to write down 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So A plus 2D. Now A plus 15D is equal to, if you open the bracket, 5A plus 10D. That is A minus 5A minus 4A, 15D minus 10D plus 5D is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, now they are saying that the 10th term of the series is 41. Now it is given that the 10th term is 41. Now you know, again to find the 10th term, in place of n you will write 10 here. 10 minus 1 is 9. So A plus 9D is equal to 41. This is equation number 2. Now we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We'll solve them to find the value of A and D. Here you can see the coefficient of A is 1, here it is 4. So we'll multiply equation 2 by 4. Multiply equation 2 by 4. So 4A plus 36D is equal to 164. And below it, you write down minus 4A plus 5D is equal to 0. When you add plus 4A minus 4A cancels out, 36 plus 5 is 41. So 41D is equal to 164. When you divide it, D will be equal to 4. Because 164 upon 41 will be 4. So D is equal to 4. Put the value of D in, say, equation number 2. So put the value of D in equation 2, that is A plus 9 into 4 is equal to 41. So A is equal to 9 into 4 is 36. 41 minus 36 will be 5. So we have found that A is 5. So we have found D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 5. D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 5. Clear? Now we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. So I'll do it here. Sum of 15 terms. So you will apply that formula. 15 upon 2. Then 2A. 2A means 2 into 5. Plus 15 minus 1 into D. D means 4. Now see. 15 upon 2. Within brackets. 2 into 5 is 10. And 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 4 is 56. So 15 upon 2 into 56 plus 10 will be 66. Now cancel 66 by 2, it is 33. Now it is 33 into 15. So 495 is your answer. The sum of first 15 terms of the given AP will be 495 and that is your answer. Clear? Okay. So we will do one more example. Now, the next question is sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1505 and its first term is 10. Find the 25th term. So in this question, if you see, they have already given the first term and the sum of first 14 terms is also given and they need 25th term. Now, you know that to find the 25th term, we will apply the formula for nth term, which is A plus n minus 1 into D, where n is 25. We need A and D. A they have already given, but there is no D, so we have to first calculate D, that is the common difference. For that, given A is equal to 10, the first term is 10. Now, sum of n terms, n by 2 is n by 2 within brackets 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now this is sum of first 14 terms. So sum of first 14 terms means S14 is equal to 14 by 2, 2 into 10 because A is given 10 plus 14 minus 1 into D. Now they have given that S14, sum of 14 terms is 1505. So 1505 is equal to 14 upon 2 will be 7, and now within brackets 20 plus 13d. Now you see one thing, this 1505 can be divided by 7, 215. So 215 is equal to 20 plus 13d. So 215 minus 20 is equal to 13d. 215 minus 20 will be 195 is equal to 13d. So d will be equal to 195 upon 13, that is 15. So we have found that the common difference is 15 and the first term is 10. And now we have to find the 25th term. So as you know, the sum of the nth term of an AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. And now we need the 25th term, that is a. A is 10 plus 25 minus 1, and d we have calculated 15. So 10 plus 25 minus 1 will be 24 into 15. 10 plus 360, that is 370 is your answer. The 25th term of the series will be 370. The 25th term of the given AP will be 370. Clear? Now we will do one more example. The question is, a man saved rupees 33,000 in 10 months. In 10 months. In each month, after the first, in each month after the first, he saved rupees 100 more than he did in the preceding month. How much did he save in the first month? In the first, how much did he save in the first month? Now you see, the question says that a man saved rupees 33,000 in 10 months. Now whatever he saved in the first month, next month, that means in the second month, he saved 100 rupees more. Then whatever he saved in the second month, in the third month, means the next month, he saved again 100 rupees more, and so on. So let he saved rupees X in the first month. Then he saved rupees X plus 100 in the second month, and he saved rupees X plus 200 in the third month. and so on, like this only. So the first term is x, next term will be x plus 100, the next term will be x plus 200, and so on. And in all there are 10 months, so there will be 10 terms in this series. There will be 10 terms. Now first of all, we will check whether this is an AP or not. So as I told you, second term minus first term, x plus 100 minus x gets cancelled 100. Then third term minus second term, x plus 200 minus x minus 100, x gets cancelled, 200 minus 100 is 100. So you can see we are getting the same result, second term minus first term and third term minus second term, and that is nothing but the common difference. Oh, it is proved that it is an AP. Now sum of these 10 terms will be equal to 33,000. So you apply the formula for sum of n terms, which is equal to a plus, n by 2 within brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Now we are adding 10 terms, S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into t. Now the sum of 10 terms is given 33,000. So 33,000 is equal to 10 by 2, and in place of a you write down x because the first term is x. So 2x, and 10 minus 1 is 9 and common difference is 100. So plus 900. Now you see we can cancel this 0, cross multiply 2. 3300 into 2 is equal to 2x plus 900. Now 3300 into 2 will be 6600 is equal to 2x plus 900. So 6600 minus 900 is equal to 2x. 6600 minus 900 will be 5700 is equal to 2x. So x will be equal to 5700 upon 2. When you divide, it will be rupees 2850. That means in the first month he saved rupees 2850, then plus 100 next month, then plus 100 next month, and so on. In 10 months, total time of 10 months, he saved rupees 33,000. Clear? So your answer is that in the first month he saved rupees 2,800. That is your answer. Okay? Clear? Now I will tell you something about the arithmetic mean between two numbers. I will tell you something about arithmetic mean between two numbers. Arithmetic mean. Suppose there is a number A and another number B. There are two numbers A and B. Now there is another number X between these two such that A, X and B are in arithmetic progression. I repeat, there is a number A, another number B. There is a number X between A and B such that these three are in arithmetic progression. If these numbers are in arithmetic progression, then X is called X is called the arithmetic mean we also denote it by AM, arithmetic mean between A and B. X is called the arithmetic mean between A and B. If A, X and B they are in AP, then X is called the arithmetic mean between A and B. Now see, if these three numbers are in AP, I told you, if three numbers are in AP, then second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. Second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. Means X minus A should be equal to B minus X. So if you shift that minus X to this side and A to that side, two numbers A and B, then the arithmetic mean between them will be given by A plus B by 2. Now you will tell this is nothing but normal mean, adding the two numbers and dividing it by 2. Correct, it is normal mean, but why we call it arithmetic mean I will just explain. Because whatever is the mean of A and B, if you keep it in between the two, then these three numbers will always be in AP. So as they are in AP, so this number which we normally call as mean is actually called the arithmetic mean. Clear? So X is the arithmetic mean. So I repeat, if there are two numbers A and B, then the arithmetic mean between them will be equal to A plus B by 2, and it is called the arithmetic mean because if that number is kept between A and B, then these three numbers are in this order, they will be in arithmetic progression. Clear? Now we'll continue with few more examples. One more question. Sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms. Find the sum of first 16 terms. Now you can see, as finally we have to find the sum of first 16 terms. So we need, n is given 16, but we need A and D. To find A and D, the first line says that the sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6. Means sum of third term and seventh term of an AP is 6. Now you know that nth term is given by, the nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Now in place of n, first you write 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 means A plus 2D. And in place of n you write down 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So A plus 6D is equal to 6. A plus 8, 2A plus 6D plus 2D, 8D is equal to 6. As all the terms can be divided by 2, so you divide the whole equation by 2 and you will get A plus 4D is equal to 3. That is equation number 1. Okay. Now they are saying the product of the third and the seventh term means A3 into A7 is equal to 8. The product of third term and seventh term is 8. Means A plus 2D into A plus 6D is equal to 8. Now you see from equation 1, A is equal to 3 minus 4D. So in place of A you write down 3 minus 4D. So 3 minus 4D plus 2D, 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. Okay? 3 minus 4D, in place of A you write down 3 minus 4D. Here also in place of A you write down 3 minus 4D. Now you see 3 minus 4D plus 2D is minus 2D. And 6D minus 4D will be plus 2D is equal to 8. Now here we can apply the identity A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So it is 3 square minus 2D whole square is equal to 8. Means, and you know 3 square means 9, minus 4D square is equal to 8, minus 4D square is equal to 8 minus 9, minus 4D square is equal to minus 1, minus gets cancelled, D square is 1 by 4, and you know when D square is 1 by 4, D can be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2, because the square of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 and square of minus 1 by 2 is also 1 by 4. That means it can be 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now corresponding we will find A. If here in equation number 1, if you put D is equal to 1 upon 2, so A plus 4 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 3. Now it is A plus 2 is equal to 3, so A is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. So A will be 1. And if we put D is equal to minus half, then what happens? A plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So A minus 2 is equal to 3, so A will be equal to 5. So 5. So there can be two possibilities here. There can be two possibilities. A1 D half or A5 and D minus half. There can be two possibilities. Now you have to find the sum of first 16 terms. So we'll find the sum using both the possibilities. You know the sum of n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of 16 terms will be 16 by 2, 2a plus 16 minus 1 into d. So sum of 16 terms will be equal to 16a plus 15 into 8. Excuse me. 120d. See, 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 into 8, 120. Now, the first possibility, you put A is equal to 1 and D is equal to half. So 16 into 1 plus 120 into half. See, we can cancel it, it will become 60. 60 plus 16 is 76. So one answer is 76. The sum of first 16 terms will be 76. And now the second possibility, for the second possibility you write down A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus half. 16 into 5 plus 120 into minus half. 16 into 5 plus 120 into minus half, because D is minus half. Now you see 16 into 5, 80, and this is minus 60, so 20. So you can see there can be two answers to this question. There are two possibilities, so there can be two answers. Clear? Okay. Now we will do one more example. Now there is a question. I'm not going to write down the question on the board. It's a long one. I'm just reading it out. The houses of a row are numbered from 1 to 49. Show that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers preceding the house numbered x is equal to the sum of the numbers of the house following it. So find this value of x. Now all of you pay attention. There are 49 houses in a row. The first house is numbered 1, second house is numbered 2, third house is numbered 3, and so on. And there is a house which is numbered x. Just before that there will be a house numbered x minus 1, and another house just after x, and that will be x plus 1, and so on. And finally the last house is numbered 49, because there are 49 houses in all. Now they are saying the sum of 1 to x minus 1 and the sum of x plus 1 to 49 are the same. You have to find the value of x. So given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 so on till 49. Now they have given that these two are equal. If you add all the numbers just till before x, and then the remaining after x, all the numbers, if you add the sum, both the sums are same. Now if you pay attention, first of all, this is an AP, this is also an AP. The common difference here is 1, and there also common difference is 1. Here there will be x minus 1 terms. 1, 2, 3 up to x minus 1 means how many terms are there? X minus 1. And now what about the number of terms here? Now see, total 49 terms were there. Up to this number is x terms. So the remaining terms will be 49 minus x. So I repeat, total 49 terms are there. Till this house numbered x, there will be x terms. So the remaining terms will be 49 minus x. Now see, first of all, we'll apply the formula of sum of n terms of an AP in this first part, and that will be n by 2 means x minus 1 by 2 within brackets 2a means 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1, and d is also 1. So you write like this. Okay, now here I told you how many terms are there? 49 minus x. So 49 minus x upon 2, then 2a means 2 into x plus 1 plus n minus 1 means 49 minus x minus 1 into d. d is 1 only, like this. Okay, now you see x minus 1, here it is within brackets upon 2, within brackets 2 plus this is x minus 2, okay, is equal to 49 minus x upon 2, and if you open this bracket 2x plus 2 and 49 minus 1 will be 48, so plus 48 minus x, like this. Okay, now you can easily see, first of all, this 2 they are cancelled and these 2 are also cancelled. So here we have x into x minus 1 is equal to here 49 minus x, and in this bracket 2x minus x will be x, and 48 plus 2 is 50. Now we'll open the bracket, x into x, x is square, minus x is equal to, if you open the bracket here, it will be 49x and plus 49 into 50, 2450, 2450, 49 into 50, minus x square minus 50x. Okay, now you see, you shift that minus x square to this side, so x square plus x square will be 2x square minus x. Then 49x minus 50x will be minus x. If you shift to this side, it will be plus x, and minus 2450 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 2450 is equal to 0. Now you see minus x plus x cancels out, so 2x square is equal to 2450. So x square will be equal to, if you divide it by 2, then it will be 1225. So x is equal to under root 1225. If you find the square root of 1225, you will see it is nothing but 35. That means there are in all 49 houses, but if you add from 1 to 34 numbers and then 36 to 49, you will get the same, the sum will be the same. You will get the same value when you add them, because the value of x, you can see, it is coming out to be 35. So if it is 35, that will be 34 and that will be 36. So I repeat, if you add from 1 to 34 and from 36 to 49, you will get the same sum. Clear? Okay, so we will do one more question. There is a question that there is a children's potato race, and this is the starting line, and the first potato is kept at a distance of 5 meters from the starting line, and now at every 1 meter another potato is kept. Like this is P1, the first potato, then P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 and so on. In all, how many potatoes are there? 10 potatoes. In all, there are 10 potatoes, and as I told you, the distance between any two consecutive potatoes is 1 meter. Distance between any two consecutive potatoes is 1 meter. Now a contestant starts from the starting line. Now there is a basket kept here near the starting line. Now the contestant has to run to the first potato, pick it up, come back, put it in the basket, then again go, then again pick the second potato, come back, keep it in the basket, then again go, pick the third potato, and this process continues till he puts the last potato in the basket. Now you have to find that what is the total distance covered by that contestant. In picking all the 10 potatoes and keeping them in basket, the total distance run by the contestant. Now see, total distance run. Total distance run. Now pay attention. The contestant starts from here, 5 meter, then come back 5 meter. So to pick the first potato and put it in the basket, the distance covered will be 10 meters. Now from here, he goes for the second potato, means 6 meter, again come back, 6 plus 6, 12 meter. So plus 12 meter. Now again he goes now for the third potato, so that distance will be 7 plus 7 coming back, so 14. So plus 14 meter. Okay. Similarly, When he goes for the last potato, that distance will be 15 meter plus 15 meter means 30 meter. So the last term of the series is 30 meter. Now you see you have an AP whose first term is 10 and the common difference is 2. And how many terms are there? There are 10 terms. So you have to find the sum. So you know that sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find the sum of 10 terms. So 10 by 2, 2a means 2 into 10 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into d, d is 2 here. So 10 by 2 is 5. Now 2 into 10, 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18. So 5 into 38, 190 meter. 38 into 5 will be 190 meter. So your answer is 190 meter. Clear? So we have discussed many questions here. I have given you a lot of assignments, questions. Please do them and practice regularly, because you know this is a very crucial year for you, the board next year, class 10th. So pay as much attention as possible, and this finishes your topic arithmetic progression. So in the next period we'll continue with a new topic. Thank you.